Biwai.
Couldn't.
Bibi aboko.
Or don't phone the ache.
What you say I couldn't. CJ Irio, but
Papa,
you be prati. We is a Ghana dear. When you about to a toss soon. And I'm a meeting. In a toss soon.
And what you mean,
and what you mean, Debbie, say ya. Debbie, say ya. So, do you want to say at you?
Ayo. And then the other one catani, a beco soon, and you be seeing no. And one,
and so, you can say, yeah.
Ready, and my enemy who chat. Then I also
see what in talk one way, Cosono. Free teachers, who is who no? You way apart saying, if they were more not by Wumu and Najo. It is a near bay de Jamay last fight. Where you Busley
a baby next week,
sir. Where you Busley in a chicken audience.
Busley,
oh, lovely chicken audience. Oh, Busley in a chicken audience, dear CID. A baby number, but I could to a cheap a
quiet use Rambo Nicommando, so I can bad.
Maybe Omude say, or Moody and a man for Takina, such chicken audience, Moody idiot. No. We predict ye Rambo ni we and the other things away Jack. We bear last killer. But sa China for near China Kakra womb no, Buslin technologies for the no.
Chuck Norris on your China.
On your China.
But Chuck Norris on your
when I'm here movie so.
And then your Chick Nollins.
Sa dear winner ya Montiasi, and when it comes to say, yeah, Casa dear we are, or touch a meda when no, A be a name would reach me. Chicken orange, won't say that.
And you want to say
chicken orange.
Sister,
young go,
said the mechano, no,
now, CJ, and Tokani said the Moya shape, part two, no Moya shape. Enra wote nanado dia wono wode ekotu dwa wabra na wobutu ade ne so ekasa no wo say free senior high school no wo kai pa say wabra wo hyase so obebo hu dawura ka che Ghana for we ye ne daily graphic reply ya no e ba ye no okuni ene wode twudwa wo say mampani nanado danko akufu ado say free senior high school na ye ne nwanwa say ho anionyam Mampani da John Dramani mama pese wo pia ase pindo meso magibi enionyam we de eni chempe na o se sa chempe we sa fans we nya ne fans if say free senior high school ni se obisa Ghana ni akwada bia
e bia me san kwa homa no so emra na abato ne pempen so sa ne hu hia san ko bebi wo ho no ma ye die pa fa ba ko e banbo ho nsem mene ora Paul Boatin or security analyst mene no entwetwe enkomo msabato ntenka. Hello, Mr. Martin.
Hello, Minia.
Bibi aboko de.
Abode adama bibi aboko.
Dede nyame ase. Aka beye na wotwe ne kakra na ye kwa akoto aba ban boy ade ehuhia papa from baby awotie ene nhihye ya electoral commission de egu akwan so afei approach for ne other security agencies de egu akwan so uhuni san Rabatin.
Oh, Minia na mbeka ne se entutuye no de eye arishim wom fi se na kura bambofo no betu monten so dese ya honkan kasa enti no ntutuye ne de ye be ka se ye but bambo de untimi ka se obetimi assure o mani nyina se 100% bi boni BNC ne mo mpaye ne yebo se ne nhyehyɛ no abambofo ne yisifo ene amanyuku fo dodo na so aye krado se ombeto abama so bi aba no se yakone se bebo Ghana.
What type of security? I'm saying security ni ye mu enchichemu bebre penchechira wankasangasa woni ye mu bi no mo ache bimbo type ben and before the day of election, on the day of election, after the day after the election no nhyehyɛ ben necessary edigu akwan so Rabatin.
And feel protocols and nhyehyɛ na omo edigu akwan so there is ne bambofo no ne political parties no aye ho adwuma em se ekwaye on be fa so send be ya electoral materials be kokko polling stations na efe so ebeduru ho se ne omo mre no omo ahyehyɛ no na abato won hyehyɛ no nso no yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbedi so na enkofa wonti bia ama na efe so yɛbɛto aba no ne yɛbɛkan na sɛ ne ayɛ kenkan no na emra anfanse protocols omo de gugu akwam no yɛbedi so na bambofo no edi omo hyehyɛ so na yɛnya yɛtimamufo no nso no yɛdi mra so masom bia ba mfi sɛ ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛbɛyɛ asotie ne yɛdi mra so eba ne saa de bibia be
Robert Boateng ehun behia sɛ amanyoku ahodoɔ no ankasa nso ebenya wɔn election task force aboban kwan bi so Robert Boateng
sɛ oboban sɛn me chemu yes oboban sɛn na sɛ police for duma ya na so ɔyɛ ne den
sɛ on the day of election task force bi amanyoku no ɔmate sɛ wɔn hwɛ embo ballot box no ɛho ban nhwɛ sɛ ballot bia yakan saa nhyehyɛe no ɛho hia
me feel sɛ no nya nhyehyɛe a ɛka isi ne Ghana for nhyehyɛe ho sese yɛ de bibia sɛ bambɔfo nsɛm ɛyɛ bambɔfo na ɔmo tumi sɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ saa nneɛma no ban but wo yɛ manyoni a wobɛtumi agyina hɔ no ahwɛ na wo sɛ bibi to kyema a wayi bambɔfo no asotire ɛno nti wotie bambɔfo nhyehyɛe na ɔmo wɔ akwan ho bebree a yɛde bɛbɔ ban no a wɔyɛ standby to na sɛ rapid response team a sɛ bibi bɔne bi besi a ɔmo te a ɔmo di mmirika bɛba hɔ so ho ɛno nti no yɛmfa bibia nhyɛ bambɔfo no nsɛm na sɛ we ka sɛ me kwati me task force na for ban na we so kwati me task force na for ban na ye koya na ye bai eno me fin sɛ mwa ma ba to no ne bambon hyehyɛ no enkoyie
oye enkyere mu tietietia na ye pe ma me na wase ne mfansia Rapor Boateng
no so me damas
Rapor Boateng security analyst ene no atwe nkomo no nti ekua na eno no yenjai banbo ho ensam no nyina emma abanbo adwumayefo banbofo no eye wo mo na eye wo adwuma ti
yo ene ensamre free senior high bi we daily graphic mampani a wote so akye se mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ni onyam na opeso ne ne che no wompene wose free senior high school no akwada bia a wo Ghana ase ni nim se MPP amanyoko no ene wode ebaaye no wode ba so no NDC for adverse bebrebe ya aboye ye de tiaye se free senior high school ne nye no ene ye no nwanwa pa ye se mampani dada gina ba bia no opeso ka ena me na me sha ase ena me ye se me sha ase free day na me dia besi boarding mampani na nado se NDC amanyoko ne campaign ya wo ye no atonsuo mu a won kan kire Ghana fo woni hwe ka so a won kan ese de ba bi a wode nam no enya de se eniema etwa yi na CJ asana nse mamanyoko emu ye atwa wagya akoko shock
person no mo di agora
ye wo mu oni se Papa Green Street CPP amanyoko no flat bearer you di animu
electric shock
shock yes okay yes okay cause electric shock no shock no omo advert no me and the fisi e wo me amani fie de bi hu bi da
na so esi
afa ba ko no musun kuku o mu je o mu ho kofo no
de niema wo be hu no na wo hu no bi da na donso
da bi we di aburo so
se bibi ntimi me biti
akoko koko shock na macha mo to form CPP amanyoko no mpanimfo se we ya amanfo ku free senior high ho no Ghana fo mu ntwa wo nyina mo na mo meka CPP ho na shock ye mu aduro won fa ma NDC ni MPP no mo se wo mu bedura empuntudwuma wasagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye ebi abetone ebi so sabre wagigem waso oba bepagyamu Green Street si adwuma wo beye no adwuma wo bepagyamu no Ghana fo ebe shock mo eno so daily graphic ewom ni amidi twatwo wo daily graphic mu nie mu amunam poku ase kwan so ba nyina abodwe nsem aba si je ofiri hin na ebe adwuma wona machifi ana na manafo ana na nchemu
nenam kwashima kwan enwa no so
poku ase interchange no mampani sabre wo fe dikan no wakwakotwa hommam ya wabia no ne ase nyame ya dwomo a December bosumi ya na wotwe ye toso mienu no wonum be biatum ene mu amufiri Kumasi Bay mu amufiri Amasama Bay mu amufiri domino mabesimu wo Sapokuase interchange wono yesi yetwatum ama niema tumi akoyie etu na mu a eno ane hwe na mfonyina sija abade interchange ni mfonyini nie ene efo ne yeda ha sei no da ubonka ta yi sei nyame ya domo a enuma achebosom ya fimpinu ne aduonu baako wo fa di kan no na che so omawie bibia na interchange na dem na Ghana for enam so na unim se enyini a wo site wo ye Ghana ni o wenya abrofo ni bia asa Ghana for ye adwuma wo ho no so wo doso
ekwa free SHS debate no ma mene owura Kofi Asare Education Watch ma mene no entwetwe nkomo mbisa ne nsem ba ko mienu rasa wo teminka
metonka
apomba kwade
nyame adom
free senior high school why na dey buy
free senior high school policy MPP abai was no on policy of the buy say on secondary education senior high school education and technical schools under the Ghana Education Service free the MPP abai in the policy.
And the current debate course between the two leading political parties. Who is saying?
Well, debate they are healthy, necessary. Saying arguments and I say acrimony there among people there. But when there's a debate, very important because my it me who political parties through now more contest or more immediate history, more present achievement, any more assurance is going forward.
But a bit specific. The debate on free SHS. Say former President Mahama said na pension or share na wa ya no progressively free. And by 2015 how was share na fe oje mutu na fe aban aba beto so. That honor na ye penchire mu.
Okay, my father saying free senior high school I am Gabanya by in 2017 to 2018 academic year almost start here. Progressively free secondary education policy no NDC omechomo Ura Mahama Nabai in the buy progressively free education policy progressively free secondary education policy no na omoma free education for day students. And it's not buying to other students or more fees. Fees I want those not buying to 2015-2016 academic year. And certainly in say not started that year. That was a more push towards free universal secondary education. One say we are working towards the sustainable development goals. Now one of the targets here for all government by 2030 to achieve what we call universal secondary education. It may want to two political parties no be on approach or they pursue way no. In the past government almost started with the progressively free no. So for day schools no or may free. May kind there's a statement there's a story I want graphic in daily graphic dated August 27, 2015. That was when one also said more than 313,000 senior high school day school students are to benefit from the government progressive free senior school policy. That was starting in the academic year. Now, 313,000 no more total number of these students. But by that time, I was about 900,000 students in the network senior high school then. And 313,301 students in Anna or more benefited from progressively free. No? The statement was signed by the Director General, Mr. Jacob. We kind from the graphic form story. The 27th August. But having been a sector practitioner, and I make say one of the policies the past government at the time was the progressively free senior high school. It was free for only day students. And a different policy from free senior high school. Free senior high school policy, an improvement on the progressively free senior high school. And normally and free for both day students and boarding students. And now on day other interventions account. Say the a bit to improve quality in the idea. And the free senior high school policy a more consolidated package.
change the free, progressively free one. But again, you know, governance, you can't say governance continue. I am a governance, and this is I say baton a year 4x4. The Koba media brought watchers. You see now, it will be finish line now by 2030. No, I will be out school on everything I school, secondary school. We may target I set as Ghana as part of the League of Nations. I subscribe to the Sustainable Development Goals. I go for. And when you know, say I buy back not started with policy A. Na buy for Bano saying the Chaswa. Mr. Sam, I was a governor there. I buy for Baswano. I don't say that I Chas. The debate should be on how to always continuously improve on the same policies and catapult us towards sustainable development before now. I can say the benefit to be active universal secondary education. It's a quality. What secondary school could be and also to local school. That will be secondary school by 2030.
Okay, into what dream no run sorry, not just say Kwan Bisono as NDC Amayokono and former President Mahama. One more share in this glory and our creditor, the current government in your free senior high school no emu. Is that correct?
This is what I see in the debate. I say it's been a monamoka say MPP for NC single secondary school be technically no a dishonesty because almost strategic approach to expanding access to secondary schools no and yet secondary education and yet to build new secondary schools. Almost strategic approach no and yet to expand existing secondary schools. That is the main strategy. So almost building new secondary schools and that's the STM centers now and they are auxiliary or special ones for it. But the main approach is to expand existing infrastructure to increase equitable access to secondary education. I'm approach no. It is a say career fair or in new school to entry. And I say you are being dishonest because a more strategic approach to expand access to secondary education and yet in building new schools, but then in expanding existing ones. So also now compared to NDC Force One, almost strategic approach was to do free senior high school using the community day school concept. Until now, almost started almost 200. Our plan is almost 200 community day senior high schools. I almost started to see 125 now. So that was the almost our plan for free senior high school. Their plan was that they were going to do it day community day. Say the HTA was South Africa and other countries. Or call South America, I'm more free in high school a day. So their approach. Then I ban with some approach. They said no, maybe a man day body. So they and I was expand access not by building new day schools or boarding schools, but then existing presec maybe Nama could be in secondary school maybe Nama could have some targets maybe different approaches are they could see the same end. And discussing in terms of the relative advantage of one approach over the other. But in terms of policy media, everybody had their own policy towards providing universal secondary education. The difference is say policy back on the boy in princess about cost of sustainability. The boy because analysis Ghana per unique per day cost of secondary education more than $1.3 a day. One of the highest in the world. The reason being a Ghanaian quantity about 80% of the cost. Of course, you guys don't have they are very. It's difficult to find countries with prayer or more secondary education. The amount of the pay the amount they should get the freedom. In the secondary education is very very expensive. 70% boarding is very expensive. So other countries are boarding education. They all call it here. Free. And then because the secondary education system is running, expensive. The whole Abangadi two police talking about very expensive. They are day one. Okay, and by the on the cost line. But on the other angles, I want to level. Okay, but then also bringing more advantages because of the cultural mix now. Affordable and call moment to make comics with other part of the country, other tribes there, and the holistic development, more facilitated discipline there or boarding schools. I mean, there are so many other advantages and disadvantages of the boarding approach now. Yeah, that's and at the day approach now, previous government near there. But it's all me. I can say what we need is a policy that is sustainable. And we need to work at reducing the cost and make it more sustainable because 2.4 billion a year. Difficult for us to manage it without depriving basic of more due resources. Anything we know, how I look to improve listening school every year they are not improve. Discussions on the improvement, continuous improvement of the policy on literature protection. But so far as we are concerned, maybe the free senior high school policy was introduced by the NPP administration, and then there was a progressively free senior high school that was only for these students. That was introduced in the 2015-2016 academic year.
Okay. Rasara, Mamenda was an offense here. Orakufi Asare, Executive Director, Africa Education Watch, and I'm in to train and Komo and okay.
CJ. Yamfa Ghanaian Times the workers are no ento so Ghanaian Times anopay what they atudwa was say Dr. Patrick Kumabuaje what say Ghana by any Ministry of Education Health and afi Penia Ghana Health Service wamo ati bedwekuo na wamo ate no wamo so wamo do money edi akire pan COVID-19 vaccine no wamo so wamo do money edi akire ye ka say abai no atwesi kabotna to say sa COVID-19 vaccine no a eba no eye die ne yesase Ghana ye kai wamo ka amanya edi nkan ye ombekọ akọje COVID-19 no edi aba be so yare no ano no enti enra sentofo nhyiamu a asoyehwe ekitawudie hu nsam so wo mo ehye ye no emu na Dr. Patrick Kumabuaje de nsam we akwakotodwa na wo chese nsaya omde egu akwam ne de bebrebe pa enti se America memu wo mo de nsam no aba betodwa fizafo ehye edro no edimu edro no ebetimi atu yare na se ya wo se tests ni nyina de omo irane lab ni nyina age atom de a abai no so enhye a waye no wo name disease control for Ghana Health Service for ministry no nyina na akabom health organization and United Nations enkwada FM de mu nyina na akabom se se edro no nya ba pe Ghana ebeka man edi nkan a wo mo ebekwa akwaje atom no ho na enum no kratafa etoso edumie no okro a okriche sanse moyi eguye no ene wo sa abamane se Ghana Education Service wo se aban no ayenhye ensoso ama na wotwe ye ba besimu ye yi na wotwe ye simu ye yi wo se continuous professional development allowance ayede ma omemo akyerefo no sika no aye krado aban na ba betua sika aye ka ho asemu 354 million Ghana cedis ena yede ba betua sa allowance no ama omemu akyerefo na akyerefo mbenya so mfasode no eye empem ahasa ene baako ena womo ebeje sa allowance no wo se womo achichemu kakra ewum woni ankasa wono me professional teachers ene womo a womo nya enu sampempenso no de ede bema womo nyina no wo de egu nti wo se ye tua ka na wotwi mu next week no na chese sa allowance no so ebeben ama womo nsa aka na superintendent Dr. Sasu Mensah Superintendent Dr. Sasu Mensah wono enkramantam posidom no eho no odi ne dwuma firi wo se abeya ye kwoto isa vigilantism bill no as say ya abeda ne emra no ese se yetumi ema ne ye dwuma papa vise ye kan emema kentira wam mabeti susu wom nyina bebre tete ba bi susu se bia sa mra no enya ha ene be ye dwuma no se esese eye dwuma asemo a wode abetudwa no no chese esese obia boa ebo no homoden Ghana ni di hye ekuakua wodo obia wo man na sumdue eye ne koda na no de eye superintendent say wo momoden se sa vigilantism emra no ye de bedi dwuma pa wo afia batom se be ya nipa bi abomutim poso ombekwa akwa etitu asemo a enu betumi abom hu amomatwom hu efremu anopay GT Ghanaian Times.
Ayo Yefri enum abusia Yefri enum heritage na yede ebeto aso na heritage animu a mampani dada John Dramani ma amana ne mfonyi da se ya okita kasemu wo se contract bia wo Ghana se ya ba we da so do ka no wo de beresona kwoto aba no a fetim nanim number 2 fetim wono mo wonya ba ya na edi kan contractor bia wo mayido kan wo betua sika ma waso ono ankasa wotenchen no wate contractor fo ye bo Ghana ase wosun ebi esu amfie miensa emfie mienu abatua yesiko abaya ye adwuma ma man ni tuo abanye bunuagu na sum etu on de bosha ne se wonya ba ya contractor bia da o mayide wo ka no no wo ba betua etu ose contractor fo aba no mokwa a muntu ni yie na wo ba emwa bi owo no watumi dia mamo kama heritage ne nsem odi aba bi no na asem ba ko a ede ye na wo heritage munie wonim so omanya yatimwe no sije se oba bi ni kunu che ni eburu no a no ose me kodosu a wontumi nko akwada bi ti obi nchen ni edi nani a wo suro so obeka ni nyina ne se so okodosu wono mo a wo ba no ani kuna buru no ye ka se ye edi no asem a ye wi asesa akofie ho eti wonim se nipa no abome mabaha wo san se mabe report no wo se san akọ na ene nkotena na ya asem afe na mpanimfo se ye nya babi a se wo yo ba ni edi wani wo fie wo ya akwada babi a wo ti ye edi wani a se wo kodopsu a ye nsa nka nche wo se san akofie
e ma babi atena
ye be ma wo babi atena
ko sisi asem no ye be hwe sisi
bo so miensa na che se process ni guso ye hwe di asem no na ya san so apɛ counselor mawo se tunufo ne ye wa fam atete ye wa fam no CJ this is the best news ye betuma nya na fi
eye pa
e se wo kodosu a emani bi wo hono wo mpeso obekwa akoka na asem me koka mi ni ba bi a me kotena akwadai ye bumi eso hin na me ko
efie hwa na me date
efie hwa na me da so te eti omunka so omugu awade o anasa omu sa ebusua ntem for 3 months no ye di nipa na etena ho na ye hwe di asem no e bi kura na wo afunu nipa no eti twon ho kakra ye se ye ne ye di aboana efie na ye de sa nipa no bekom no ye se ye friend the Pearl Save Heaven the Pearl Save Heaven na ho ne ye de obekọ eti oni social welfare for na ministry ye hwe enkwada mofra ye die so na e ka bom dosufo ka ho en wo de sa nhyehyɛ ye ebe ye adwuma na ne kwakra mu e wo heritage mu no wonim se nra nhyiamu a Ministry of Health and Asa no ye Ghana Health Service for na ye empanimfo ne se rallies no e koso amanyofo no a aba apeso no enye no na ama COVID-19 figures no kosoro wa mo se nya no o na wahu we ka anything na sometimes research ye no CJ wonim se ye no ye nsusu ye mu ne ye suro ne se rallies no bemma COVID-19 na kosoro Dr. Patrick Kumabuaje say COVID-19 ne baby enyini pa ye baby a chese mframa mfa ho enclosed space no te say ye hese ya yete se dan ya yete mu no empoma bia na ho empoma na ho eti ye kasa ye bibia ye no egina ha say eni wonum so a wo free amno ne ba ye no wo mo se eno so mo hwehwe emunya bi papa omo hwehwe emunya bi eti no
boys na ye boy na wo se UK4 no mo ba no
ejey
yeah ejey
Jesus
Dr. Patrick Kumabuaje wo se UK4 no mo ba no
akua twaso minche mu no
papa ne kire se ma yemfa yeni nkwohwe rallies no because we say eno kwan hye da nya rally send them ampani wabane enti ni omu se ye friend sen walk enu no ye dem mo fabro fi ma
rallies say omu friend mini rallies
rally
nkuma ma
fetus rally
akua say ye kasa beach ye close on ye nko beach
oh amanfo na wonim se World Health Organization penny for so de kokogba aba se buronya ye gyaye ho kakra bi a yade na besa ma so usa fe na beach no wo ye den obi beko babi a ye nko no obi ka sa afia to me de
because me na ma say bisa ne say ye close beach say ye mbo shows ye nko beach say holiday ye ko na ye say enya rallies ena ede COVID na kosoro dia ena na yembie baby antum na fe ye hu say because baby anipa akire so ho ye hunu na kwa ye hunu videos ne mfoni
said de enra say wo hwe kwame anum ne videos o de ba ye ene nkomo ene ne twetwe awia no na se de edom no abwa peso na se ka say sa dom
no ma se mi ye me won me ka science na mo ka geography me ka science asem me ka body mu nyansa
asem science
you are talking geography
na common sense nso ho akua
dabi science ne common science de say ye research ni vie ni ye ka say conclusion ni nie ye mu kan ya ye say Trump asem anu o say amanfo nko no bi ya botre
science so beto common sense
ko de fa common sense ko covid say be so mu a me ka science asem ntie science ni data me de wo
for anusi for Ejampa ma boni tew mutama
Tewdia the Chronicle enie na wacha se ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana mampani abedi echi krata no se wobesa ye na ade ni biem ene se emfie konan ya wo mu bedi ade wale crash ene wo san akọ University of Ghana na wo kono ene enkontabuo frenchim sika abesi wo nsem adwuma wo mo de aye eka wo mo de wo ma pragu ho de wo mo beto ye de wo matete afiri mu ni nyina wo so wo bebu ho nkonta frenchim akere Ghana for ene ansa na 7 December wotumi agina so ato aba enti ene legonfo yensom Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana for yensom na Ghana mampani so na eka sei wo se mampani Mahama a watwa mu kro wo se ne campaign no wahwe ase flat order form was a campaign say want to me on Yashenka into a drew baby now we didn't draw or drew baby no Siana Kazaka cra yet is a castle as well comedy as I know 2016 as I know it was so yakro. We need to work in na Media Foundation for West Africa and saying now no see job kaya Chronicle Eden Simbi Baye HRSM migration officer be water tai Chronicle Semufuo Emmanuel Akli and Media Foundation for West Africa say sa sam na abeto dwa no free 2018 die wadodo I suppose if we bet me atena ho amana duru sam pempenso yi enti wo mo mpesa de na no esi ametswale no ebi be say si biem enti Media Foundation for say apostle for hwe na asem no woni entwa so say ten na tu nkotwere ba bi atwere
me da say
no
na me former presiding elder Samuel Edu ne yire Rita Edu sister Rita Edu Church of Pentecost JC Kwe and na woda ye dinu kokro
ya mano happy